Hello all, I am Dr. Prabhas Chanjanbal. In this video, particularly we have corrected some mistakes that I did in class 12 and class 24. This video link is generally available in the respective videos. Please check the description of class 12 and class 24. Okay, what mistakes I did in class 12 and class 24? Please see here. This is a little bit mistakes. Please check. These are the videos of corrected some mistakes actually. In class 12 means deterministic finite automata part 9. Deterministic finite automata part 9, class 12. Here timing is in this video means class 12 timing is 1708. The one mistake is there. What is the mistake here? What is the mistake? The question was like this: 4-bit as a substring, over the input alphabet 0, 1. So for this question, how many number of states will be required? The number of states equal to 2 into 4. 2 into 4 equal to 8. So the DFA construction, also the DFA for the given question is like this. Means this one is the corrected. Okay, I'll tell what was the mistakes in the previous video. In the previous DFA. See here. This is the previous video. In the previous video means class 12. In the previous video, class 12, the diagram was like this. The DFA diagram was like this. Okay. Here actually the question was 4-bit as substring. What? 4-bit as substring. 4-bit as substring. What are the mistakes here? 4-bit means either 4 zeros or 4 ones as substrings. Here 4 zeros or 4 ones as substring. I'm just use some different color. So what was the mistake? The mistake is here Q3 to Q4, Q3 to Q5. The transition from Q3 to Q5 is the one transition. This was also one mistake, and one mistake Q6 to Q2. Q6 to Q2, one is a transition. This was also a mistake. Why? How it is a mistake here? If Q3 to Q5, one is a transition. If Q3 to Q5, one is a transition. See here, the strings looks like 000, 111, 000. See here, 000. This one is 1. This one is 1. This one is 1. Means this string is accepted. Similarly, we can see 111, 000, 1, 1, 1. Then this one is 0. This one is 0. This one is 0. This string is also accepted, but both strings are invalid. So this transition is a mistake, and this transition is also a mistake. So we have corrected these mistakes in this video. Please see the transition from Q3 to the transition. We just corrected the transition from Q3 to Q4. The transition was like this in the previous video, Q3 to Q5. This is a mistake. This one is a mistake, or this one is a wrong transition. But the correct transition is Q3 to Q4. The correct transition is here Q3 to Q4. Q3 to Q4 is a correct transition. And Q6 to Q2. One more transition also mistake. Q6 to Q2. Q6 to Q2 is a 0. This one is also a wrong transition. The transition is like Q6 to Q2. Q6 to Q2 is 0 transition, and Q3 to Q4 is transition. Suppose 000, 111. This string is invalid. Now we'll check this string using this DFA diagram. This is 0, 0, 0, then 1, then 1, then 1. Okay, so it ends with Q6 state. So Q6 is a non-final state. Q6 is a non-final state. So the string is invalid. Okay, but the previous diagram accept, this one is the previous diagram, but the previous diagram what accepts this string. Okay, we just corrected in this diagram. So we can also check 111, 111, 000, 111, 000. See here, 111, 1, 1, then 0, then 1, then 1, 0. Sorry, there's 0, 0, 0. 111, 000, 1, 1, 1. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Means it ends with Q3 state. It ends with Q3 state. So Q3 is a non-final state. So this DFA rejects the given string. So we have just corrected this DFA. This is the right DFA. This is the right DFA for this question. 4-bit as substring. Okay. So please follow this diagram. Don't follow the previous diagram. Previous diagram contains a little bit mistake. Okay. Similarly, the next question in the same video means class 12 video. In the same video means class 12, 5-bit as substring. 5-bit as a substring. Okay. So for 5-bit as a substring means number of states equal to 10. Number of states equal to 10. The timing is around here. Timing is around 28.08. In this timing, please check the question. 5-bit as a substring. 0 to 1. So here this one is corrected. This one is corrected. DFA for the given question. But the previous DFA was like this. This one is the previous DFA. Previous DFA for means 5-bit as substring. Means this question is like 5-bit as substring. See here this question. 5-bit as substring. Okay. Here what is the mistake? The same mistakes just like for this video. 5-bit as a substring. 5-bit as a substring means here minimum string is either 50 or 51. 51. Sorry, this is 61. This is 51. Okay. What was the mistake? The mistake is here. Q3 to Q6 transition. Q3 to Q6 transition is wrong. Q7 to Q2 transition is also wrong. Q7 to Q2 transition wrong. Q8 to Q3 this transition is wrong. Q8 to Q3 transition is wrong. I'm again writing. Q8 to Q3 transition is wrong. Q4 to Q7 transition is also wrong. So we have corrected this DFA means 5-bit as substring in the given video. Okay. In this given DFA, we have just corrected. See here the transition Q4 to Q7 is just wrong. So the transition we have just corrected this transition Q4 to Q5. This transition was like Q4 to Q5. This one. Q8 to Q3. This transition is also wrong. So this transition was like this. This transition is like this. Q8 to Q1. One more transition. Q7 to Q2. This transition is wrong. Q7 to Q2. The transition is like Q7 to Q1. This one is right. The transition is like this. Q3 to Q6, Q3 to Q6, this transition is wrong. Q3 to Q5, Q3 to Q5, this one is the correct right transition. Okay, so see here, if this transition means Q8 to Q3 here, Q8 to Q3, Q3 to Q6 here, Q3 to Q6. If Q3 to Q6, if one is a transition here, Q3 to Q6, if one is a transition, what is the problem? See here, 000, 000, 141, 00041, this string is valid. But this string is invalid string because this string does not contain 5 bit as substring. This string does not contain 5 bit as substring. But see here, this DFA will accept this string, means this is 0, 0, 0, then this one 1, 1, 1, 1. But the string is accepted. Okay. So this DFA or the previous DFA is wrong. Please check this DFA. Please see this DFA. This one is the right DFA or corrected DFA for the given question, like 5 bit as substring. Suppose 00041. See here, just check 0, 0, 0, 4, 1. This is the 1, 1, then 1, then 1, then 1. So it ends with Q8 state. It ends with Q8 state. Q8 is a non-final state. Okay. So actually these are the two mistakes in class 12. Okay. Now we'll see some another mistake. In class 24, like epsilon NFA, class 24 epsilon NFA, the timing is 0 to 15 second, 0 to 15 second or 15 second. The mistake it is also, this video also contains a little bit mistake. Actually, what I told in this video, this is the language. Language is like 0 to the power m, 1 to the power n, 2 to the power p, m, n, p greater or equal to 0. What I have told, sometimes DFA and NFA was not possible for some language, like this one. No, this is actually mistake. This was actually mistake, as sometimes it is the corrected sentences, like sometimes DFA and NFA is also, the construction of DFA and NFA is difficult for some language. That's why epsilon NFA came into the picture. That's why epsilon NFA came into the picture. What I was told in the previous class, sometimes construction of DFA and NFA was not possible. Sorry, is not possible. Sometimes it's not possible for this language, means for this language like L. It is a mistake. It is a mistake. Actually, sometimes the construction of DFA and NFA is difficult. It's difficult for language like L. This one is a corrected sentence. Okay. So that's why epsilon NFA came into the picture. Again, I'm telling, sometimes construction of DFA and NFA, construction means both are not possible for language. This one is a mistake. That's why NFA, this one actually is a mistake. Sometimes construction of DFA and NFA, both are very difficult to construct for some language like L. This one is a correct sentence. Okay, this one is correct. That's why epsilon NFA came to the picture. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, this video or this correction of some mistakes, this video actually I'll give in the description box. Please check the description box. Okay.